Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm going to do a very quick look at the Enso silicone ring. So it is actually called the Enso etched bevel ring. So I got the pine color, so getting it open, and then we'll get a closer look. But this is it, just a little silicone ring. I got mine in size 9. And it just has etched mountains in it. So that's what it looks like. So let me flip it around and get a closer look. Okay, so here it is, getting the close-up. It is about 8 millimeters wide and 2.16 millimeters thick. I got size 9. I'm actually like a 9.5, so it does fit maybe a little smaller. But if your fingers swell, it's supposed to stretch with you. It is premium silicone, and it has anti-avulsion technology. So it's made to break away instead of ripping all your skin off if it gets caught in something. So that's definitely a cool feature. I have worked out with it. I wouldn't recommend it. I can't imagine that it would hold up to a lot of workouts. But this is going to be great because it's going to stretch with me on hikes, backpacking, and in my adventures. So I can keep it on and keep used to a ring. So overall, a great fit. It feels comfortable. It does stretch when my hands swell when I'm working out or out in the heat. And I've been impressed. So I wonder how long the etching will hold up. I hope it's a long time. But it's a great ring if you're into the outdoors. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.